Okay, I will do the first one, and then you can do the one after, or the ones after. Okay, this times this. Okay, so you can visualize it as this one block adding this block here. Okay, just roughly speaking, you can visualize it as that. So here, let's say this times this, so that would be 6 x squared y to the power of 4. Okay, and then you've got minus this here, so that would be 12 x to the power 3 y. Okay, so that's the first block done. Okay, and now this one here now. So it would be well, we're lucky because this is a positive, so it's nice and simple. So let's get this times this. So that will be positive. Hang on. So that would be positive 6x to the power 3y, and then now get this times with this. So that would be plus. Remember, for positive this times this, it would be plus 12xy. Okay. Now have a look to see if there are any entities that are the same. So any of these are the same. So look, if you look at these two are of the same entity. If you look at this, x to the power 3, x to the power 3, y here, y here. So these two are of the same entity, if you like. This is your Liger here. This is your Lie graph over here. These two are your Lie whatever. My point is that these two are the same, so you can merge these two. Okay. So hang on. So let's take this down. There's nothing to merge this with. So this will be x 6x squared y to the power 4, and here minus 12 ellipede plus 6 ellipede. So that will be minus 6 ellipede. So this would be this. So can you see the same entity? If you have minus 12 apples, add 6 more apples, you're going to get minus 6 apples, because minus 12 apples plus 6 apples, you're going to get minus 6 apples. Okay, and then here it will be plus 12xy. And then have another quick glance. Look, any of these or any of these the same? They're all different. So this would be your final answer. Okay, you can't simplify anymore. Okay, let's see. Your turn now. Let's try and do this. So have a go. Remember, it's this times this, and then this times this. So once that's done, then get this times this, and then this times this. Okay, so have a go. All right. So let's do this. This times this, that will be 6xy, and now this times this, that will be 12x to the power 3. So that's one block done. Now this times this, that will be 8x to the power 5, y to the power of 2, and then now this times this. There's a negative here, remember? So it would be minus 8x squared. And now have a quick glance to see if any of these entities are the same. They're all different. They're all different. So you can't simplify. So this would be your final answer. Okay. So next one. This one here. Okay, remember this is where it's complicated because you've got a minus here. So consider this as a minus thing here. So when you multiply this, it will be a minus. Okay. Well, anyway, press pause and have a go. Okay. So this times this would be would be 12x, and then 6 times minus 5 would be minus 30. Okay, now come this. You've got to take the minus into account. Minus times a positive here. So remember, establish if it's going to be a negative or positive first. I know it's going to be a negative because minus 3x times this is positive here. So it's going to be minus. So let's stick a minus in there. Minus 3x to the power 3. Okay. Remember, we are considering this as a minus. Okay. Minus this, and then you got to times a minus over here. So first thing to do, establish if it's a positive or negative. A minus is going to be a positive. Okay, so I know it's going to be positive. So positive 21x. Okay, now have a quick glance. One entity, remember this is a single number. This is another entity. Oh look, these two are the same. So let's merge them. 12 apples plus 21 apples, that would be 33 apples. Okay, so 33x. X here. Single number, any other single number? No, so that would be it. And here you've got your elephant here, so it remains as that. No, there's no other elephants around, so leave it as that. So this would be your final answer. Okay.